This is my fix for the electronic actuator on an Arctic Mud Pro 700 2010. As you can see, I no longer have the electric actuator. I have my new apparatus and my PTO cable. As you can see now, it's in 4-wheel drive. As I spin this, the 4-wheel drive is engaged. All I do to disengage my 4-wheel drive, push in the PTO cable, and I'm no longer in 4-wheel drive. No more electrical actuator. Everything works. It's been tested and proven, and that's my fix. And all you have to do is pull that out, then you're back in 4-wheel drive. You can also change on the fly and everything. So, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive.